All right, now we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of oil, or you can add bacon grease, which is my favorite. And then we add whatever meat you like over here, and some sofrito. I like to add pork chops. I'm adding all my seasonings, including the ones I'm showing you, as well as I like to add recaito leaves or cilantro, and just fry them all together to give it more flavor. Then when you're done, you're gonna add the rice, whatever rice you wanna add. If you're gonna add 2 cups of rice, you add 3 cups of water. And then you're just gonna let it cook. And once the water is low, then you're gonna lower the heat and cover it and let it cook for about 15-20 minutes. Stir it and make sure that you check and see if it's done. And once it is done, you'll have some delicious rice. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.